Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a first impressions video using these products right here and these as well. So if you'd like to see how to get this look with these products, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Okay, so these are all new products that I picked up at Sephora just yesterday, so I'm super excited to try them. So the first one that we're going to be using is the Cover FX. This is the Total Cream Cover Foundation, and the reason I got this is because it is a gluten-free product. I am gluten sensitive, I'm allergic to wheat. I love that it's free of the inflammatory 5, so it's really important for me, especially because this is the product I'm going to be applying onto my face every single day, and it's going to be applied just not on the eyes, just not on, you know, as a highlight, but all over my face. So it's really important for me to find a product that I can use that is gluten-free. So because of that, I'm super excited to try the Cover FX one today. So this is a cream foundation, so this is what it looks like in the inside. It comes just like this, and then on the bottom part it has a little sponge that it comes with as well. So just like this. So I'm super excited, and I'm super thankful for Cover FX for creating such a product. I'm actually going to take a bit of it onto a concealer brush. I'm going to be using this for my concealer as well, but for right now I'm using a Real Techniques. This is a pointed foundation brush, so I'm going to use this and just take it on here and just apply it on. So I tested the color out yesterday. Hopefully it does match my skin tone pretty well, so we'll test that out today. I'm going to just apply it all over and then blend it out. So now that I've applied it all over my skin, I'm going to just take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blend it all out. So far it's blending out really well, so that's great. Really excited about that. Okay, so on to the next product that I did get that is new as well. That's the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is in the color Macadamia 1.5. So I'm excited to use this as well. I've been looking for a concealer that's creamy yet has full coverage, because some of them I have tried are full coverage, but they're kind of drying. So after a while it'll kind of separate onto my skin, or my nose, in areas where you don't want to separate. I mean, you don't want to separate anywhere. So this is why I was really excited to try it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just like this, so really cute. And again, it's one that you just apply with a brush. So I'm gonna use the same brush and go right in. I want to see if this color is good for my skin tone. It should be good. And just right here as always. Okay. So I'm gonna blend that out using my sponge again. So as you can see, it has this nice sharp edge, so it really gets right underneath the eye, which is perfect. Blending it out. And when you're blending underneath the eye, make sure to look up. That way you create no creases. I'm going to just use whatever I have left on my blender to just kind of conceal my eyes and prep them for some eyeshadow. So I'm going to do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the brows are done, we're going to go on to the next new product that I have, and this is the Shade and Light by Kat Von D. I know that this is a new product. I know that this is not a new product that has been out, but for me it's a new product because I haven't used it before. Right here, and I know it looks kind of light, but it's a little deeper. I think I'm going to try that one and put it right underneath to kind of set the under eye area. So for today, I'm going to be using the Subculture palettes. I wanted to do a pop of blue eyeshadow kind of color look today. This is not a new product for me. I haven't had this before. I have had this for a little while now, but I'm excited to play around with it a bit more. I feel like I haven't used it too much in my personal videos, so that's why I'm using it on myself today. I have used this, however, for clients. I've done a few shoots, as you'll see right here. with this palette. So it's well up that I'm gonna dive in today and use it myself. So I'm gonna be using the Sigma E38 brush, and to start off I'm gonna be taking the color right here. This is the color Dawn. I'm gonna go into that color right now, and I'm gonna just apply this all over my crease. I'm just going in with a really light touch right now. So I usually close my eye, I kind of see where my crease is, and then I open. So I can kind of leave it right in the area and bring it up just a bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna take more of that and apply it to the left eye. So again, I just close my eye, kind of just draw out where my crease will be. And then I open my eyes to make sure I have the right location, then I just bring it up just a bit. And then I'm just doing windshield wiper motions, that way I can blend out the color as well. So I'm not just applying it onto the eye and kind of just patting it in and leaving it there, I'm also blending it at the same time. So because of this, you want to do this back and forth motion. Like that. So now I'm going to go into a little bit of a deeper color. I'm going to be taking the color Fudge. It's the color right over here. And I'm going to apply with the same brush and the same motion. I'm going to actually apply it just like that. And you see it's really pigmented. And again, I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean off my brush on the paper that I have right here. And I'm just doing circular motions just to clean it off, and I'm just using Bounty. So just not wiping it onto my desk, I'm cleaning it onto that Bounty for my jeans. And then you're going to go back in. And you're going to blend and blend and blend. So I'm just doing circular motions. Just right here, and then blend inward as well, and then going outward the same. This is the Sigma E57 brush, and I'm going to go into the color Access, the color right here, and I'm going to go into that color right there, and just take a bit on my brush. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm actually going to tap it onto the Bounty, because I don't want too much product on the brush. So I'm going to apply it right here, and I'm just tapping it on, just dabbing motions, dabbing it onto my eyelid. Okay. And now just to create that nice kind of gradient between all the colors, I'm going to go into the color Mercury. It's the color right here, and I'm going to just take a bit of that and use it right between the crease. Kind of as like a transition shade, but just to kind of soften all the colors and blend them together. And so I don't get any powder onto my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my trusty Laura Mercier powder. Okay, so now that that's onto my face and all over my pants, we're going to go ahead and apply some color onto our lower lash line. So again, I'm going in with the color Access, and I'm using the small brush that I was using by Sigma. This is the Sigma E57. I'm taking just a bit of that, and I'm applying it right underneath my lower lash line. It's this beautiful color right here, the color Cube. I'm going to take some color right here on the brush, and I'm going to apply it right here in the inner corner. I'm going to take that same color, I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Just right here. Just like that. I just want to deepen up the lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with a NYX black eyeliner, and I'm going to just put that all over my waterline. And again, that's just to kind of deepen up the. So now I'm going to add some lashes, and this is the last new product for today that I did get at Sephora yesterday. I got quite a few things, but this is the last one. So what I did get the House of Lashes Sephora collection, and this is in the Natalia. And I thought that they were so glam, so pretty, so I'm gonna just pop these on really quick. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, very dramatic lashes I might add, I'm gonna just add some mascara to my lower lash line. To finish off this look, I'm going to be going back into the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. The one right here. Just want to kind of test out the color. So I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to just apply that all over the contour. That might be a bit much. Alright, blend, blend, blend. So it is blendable, which is good. Okay, after I blend it, just taking it on my chin, kind of emphasize the neck. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up and comment. Let me know if you like more videos like this or more first impression videos. That way I can get some products and try them out and give you some reviews on them as well. Thanks again for watching, and remember to always create a life that you love. See, I was sleeping. Mommy woke me up. With little sleepy eyes. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.